Hello student, today we are going to start with MySQL basics. MySQL is there for TYBCom Sem 5. This is module number 11. Let's see how to start MySQL first of all. Once you have done with installation, you can click on Start button. Then you can see this MySQL, but then you have to click on this and then you can see MySQL command line client. तो आपको सिंपली इसे स्टार्ट करना है and then here you will give the password. For me the password was admin. It depends what password you have set while installation. Okay, so सबसे पहले अब हम देखेंगे कि यहाँ पर डेटाबेस कैसे चेक करते हैं. So we'll write show databases and then put a semicolon. अब ये एग्जिस्टिंग डेटाबेसेस है जो हमें हमारे सिस्टम में यहाँ पर बता रहा है. ओके, सो अगर आपको कोई डेटाबेस क्रिएट करना है, सो यू विल राइट क्रिएट डेटाबेस. सपोज आई एम राइटिंग TYBCom _21. ओके, तो मैं ये एक डेटाबेस क्रिएट कर रही हूँ. सो यू कैन सी हमारा डेटाबेस सक्सेसफुली क्रिएट हो गया है. अगर इसे आपको वापस चेक करना है कि ये डेटाबेस क्रिएट हुआ है या नहीं, सो यू विल अगेन राइट शो डेटाबेसेस. नाउ हियर यू कैन सी TYBCom 21 is created. Use TYBCom _21. Okay, once you have created database, you have to write use that database. Then only system उस डेटाबेस के अंदर आपको काम करने अलाउ करेगा. ओके, सो अब यहाँ पर हम लिखेंगे शो टेबल्स. शो टेबल्स एक ऐसा कमांड है जिससे कि उस एग्जिस्टिंग डेटाबेस में कितने टेबल्स हैं वो आपको बताएगा. सिंस ये TYBCom 21 ये मैंने अभी क्रिएट किया है तो इसमें कोई भी टेबल नहीं है. सो अब हम देखेंगे कि हम टेबल कैसे क्रिएट करें. लेट्स स्टार्ट. सबसे पहले हम क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दिस: create a table pay in the database EMP with the columns employee identification number, employee name, age, city, salary, date of birth. Now in this question you can see here we have to create a table name pay. Yes, but the database name should be EMP. Okay, so let's do that. यहाँ पर आप लिखेंगे create database EMP. okay, so we have created. तो अब डेटाबेस चेक करने के लिए you will write show databases. okay, you can see here यहाँ पर हमारा EMP डेटाबेस क्रिएट हो गया. अब हमें क्या करना है, you will write use EMP. yes, डेटाबेस हमने अब EMP ओपन किया एंड देन अभी हम इसमें हम क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. हमें क्या करना है, वी हैव टू क्रिएट अ टेबल पे. सो यू विल राइट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्रिएट टेबल पे. ओके, एंड इन दैट टेबल वी हैव योर एम्प्लॉय ID, दैट इज एम्प्लॉय आइडेंटिफिकेशन नंबर. सो यू विल राइट EMP ID which is small int and also it's a primary key. Then after that you will write name varchar 20. okay, varchar 20. then after that the next field is age, which is again small int. then इसके बाद है हमारा next field city, which is varchar 20 is the size of the varchar. then we have salary, which is decimal. you can see here in the question they have mentioned that salary with integer 5 and 2 decimal places. so how you are going to declare here, decimal number of digits is 7, correct, 7 comma the scale is 2. okay, so you will write here 7 comma 2. then next field is DOB, that is date of birth, which is date. Okay, then close the bracket and then put a semicolon and press enter. You can see here we have successfully created the table. Okay, if you want to see whether the table has been created or not, so you will write show tables. Okay, you can see here tables in EMP, which is pay. Okay, so this is how you're supposed to create a table. Now see here, first of all, create table pay. Pay is our table name, and these are the fields which we have written inside the curly braces. Okay, the first value or the attribute is employee ID, which is small int. Small int means data type, and then primary key means what? It is fixed, it is not going to be changed, it will be unique. Okay, then second attribute is a name, which is a varchar, the size of which is 20. Then you have age, which we are mentioning here as a small int. Then next field is city, which is again varchar and size of which is 20. Then next salary, which is decimal 7,2, and then DOB, which is date. Okay, so this is how you're supposed to create the table. Now let's see the next question. Create a table department in the database Atlas with the following columns. Okay, so first of all, let us create a database. So you will write create database Atlas and then press enter. Okay, then you will write use Atlas. Okay, now we have open a Atlas database. Now here we are going to create the table. Let's see the question. The table name is department and it is having various fields: employee ID, name, department ID, city, manager ID, salary, and DOJ. And in this question they have directly mentioned the decimal, which is 7,2. So let's start. So here you will write create table DPT, then EMP ID as small int, which is unsigned. Unsigned means it will be always positive. Then primary key, comma, E name, I'm writing short form, then varchar 20, comma, the next is department ID, which is small int. Then after that the next value is city, varchar. Then next value is MGR ID, that is manager ID, which is again small int, comma, salary, which is decimal. Then you will write here 7,2, which is already mentioned in the question. Then DOJ, which is date of joining, which is date. Okay, then put a semicolon, press enter. You can see here we have successfully created a table. Okay, if you want to check whether the table has been created or not, you will directly write show tables. Okay, you don't have to type the command again and again. अगर आपने ऊपर already लिखा है, so simply press up key button from the keyboard and then you can see the command. Okay. Okay, so this is how we can create the table. Now let's see, one more question will do. Write a MySQL statement to create a table name office containing information of employees with the following column: employee number, EN, integer, which is a primary key, employee name, which is character variable, width of 20 column, and it should not be empty, gender, which is one column value with a default value as M, and date of joining as DOJ. Let's solve this. Here we don't have to make any other database, so we'll solve in the same database only. So we'll write create database, create table office, then we have EN, as small int which is primary key. Then इसके बाद ename as varchar 20 which is not null. Then comma gender char 1. ओके, इन द क्वेश्चन वहां पे मेंशन था कि 1 कैरेक्टर ही आपको स्टोर करना है विद द डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू. सो विल यूज डिफॉल्ट की डिफॉल्ट एज m. ओके, then comma will write doj which is date. So this is how you can create a table office with the following values, or you can say attributes. ओके, अब यहाँ पे डिफॉल्ट जो है ये क्या है, ये कीवर्ड है जहां पर वैल्यू हमने क्या स्टोर किया है, m. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ यू आर सपोज टू क्रिएट अ टेबल ऑफिस. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज योर होमवर्क क्वेश्चन. यू आर गोइंग टू डू इट. Write the question this and please do comment the answer for this question. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Do like and share the video.